So how do you mark messages as unread on Instagram using your Android device? So let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So we get inside our Instagram app, right? And make sure you go to your profile and go to the settings right there. And the first condition is to change the account type, because different account types have different features available. And this is currently a personal account, but you can go to the settings and activity and scroll to the bottom until you find the account type and tools, and in there you can switch to a different one. So I'm currently using the personal one, but I can switch to the professional, right? So there is the ability to change to that, right? So yeah, you have to kind of like decide which option you wanna go with, right? So you can see I'm switching to the professional. Click on the next. You know, there are some things which you have to go through and choose like a category of your account. But the point is that you have to change it a little bit to make sure that we work with it. I'm going to be a creator, so I'm going to continue with that. You know, disable the emails, right? And that is essentially everything that there is to do. Now that I switch to the messages mode, right, all I can do is to hold it down on it, and then now the messages can be marked as unread, whereas the option wasn't simply available before. So this is what you have to do. Make sure you click on mark as unread, and then now you can do it like this. You can do it for more things too, and then that is how it kind of works. So now I can tap on it to get inside. It is open now, but you know, I can as well mark it as unread. So yeah, that is a little bit of a downside. You have to be in a specific account type to make that work, but once you do it, then you have the ability to mark messages as unread. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.